All right, so we're going to solve equations with variables on both sides. And I have the same equation written twice because I wanted to show you that there are many ways of going about it. I'm just going to show you two. Of the many ways that you can use it, I want you to just choose one. And this first way I'm going to go about it is how I'll do it. So if you ever see me do anything on the board, you'll see me do it this way. All right, the whole goal is to get x by itself, all on one side, right? Right now, the issue is that I have one on this side and I have one on this side. I need to get those together. So I could either move this thing over here, or I can move this thing over here. That's two different ways of going about it, but in both ways, I'll get the same answer. Okay? Let me see. Let me get rid of some of this. All right. Because of that, I'm just going to go ahead and just move this thing over there. How do I get rid of a 2x from this side? I subtract the whole thing. If I do it from one side of the equation, I must do it from the other. And notice I'm just going to line it up under the term that I can actually subtract it from. With that said, the 2x minus 2x on the right side cancels out. I'm left with negative 5. Don't forget this negative right here. All right, don't forget that negative. And then on the right side, on the left side, I have 3x minus 2x. Well, that leaves me with 1x, or just x. And let me just bring this down because I didn't do anything to it. So after one step, I got the x from the right side over to the left side, right? Now this looks like a simpler one. Let me go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides, so that when those cancel out, I'll see that x is equal to negative 10. All right? On the other side, maybe you don't want to deal with variables. Maybe you want to deal with numbers first. So let's just say I decide to move this thing. So let me subtract 5 from both sides. And notice again, I'm lining it up under the thing that I can assign it or group it with. When those go away, I'm left on the left side with just 3x. On the right side, well, I didn't do anything to this 2x, so let me bring that down. What is negative 5 minus 5? It's negative 10. Good. Now I'm still stuck with a situation where I have an x on this side and an x on that side. I need to do something. So just like I did over here on my first step, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x so I can get them both on one side. Now if you look at it, when I do that, the x term is gone from the right side. I'm still left with this negative 10 though. And when I actually do this math, 3x minus 2x is just 1x. X equals negative 10. Doesn't matter to me how you do it, whichever method. I just want you to choose one and go with it. And this one, I did the variable first. And then in the other one, I did the number first. In both cases, I got the answer of negative 10. All right. I can make them a little more complicated, but it's really just an issue of doing the same thing over and over and over.